Good morning, everyone. We've made it to Thursday. I just wanted to say it makes me smile to get to see y'all on the Google Meet. So thank y'all to those of you who showed up for the Google Meet yesterday. I enjoy seeing y'all, and there was a lot of questions over the project. So remember, your project is not due until the end of next week, but you will need a hard copy of it. And you're either going to email it to me or turn it in at the school, because it'll take forever to go through the remind with all the text messages. So you'll have to email me it, or you will need to turn it in at the school at the end of next week. So that's your project. I will have another Google Meet next Wednesday if you end up having questions over the project. Most of the people's questions are over step 4, I believe, and step 5, which have a formula on there, and you'll need to watch a video on how to remember how to cross multiply if you have forgotten how to set up a fraction equals a fraction and then cross multiply. So, but that's what most people's questions are because of step 4, which will end up being a fraction answer. So I'll have another Google Meet next Wednesday if you end up having questions over that, because that's still before the due date for the project. Don't forget, this week you have review assignment 2 that is due by Sunday, and I personally would also do the movie quiz activity this week, so you have time to work on your project next week, because you do have another assignment next week with the project, because the project's been up for 3 weeks. So make sure you probably should do the movie quiz activity. So, and that activity, again, is just pick 5 movies that have a mathematical reference and then put it in some kind of presentation form for me, whether it be on paper, a poster board. Some people are typing it up. I've had presentations on a PowerPoint type that even embedded movie clips in it. So it's totally up to you. The more thought and effort you put into your presentation, the better your grade. And it is a quiz grade. So that was some questions yesterday. And yeah, so that is what's due by the end of this week. And we'll actually review assignment 2. Review assignment 2 is actually due by the end of this week. The movie activity quiz is not due till the end of next week. You just don't want to bombard yourself with all that work next week. So I'll still be available for questions if you have them, but again, the face-to-face is a little bit easier to answer questions, especially with the project. So yesterday I did send out a puzzle. We have our top 5 people who worked on the puzzles yesterday. Caleb Pickard, Yasmin, Avery, Jody, and Cedric. So y'all are my top 5 people yesterday. At request yesterday on our Google Meet, next week we will start our dress-up weeks again through the end of the school year. So I will let y'all know what to dress up for next week for extra credit. Remember, all of this, the participation is part of extra credit through this whole thing. So we are on the last 6 weeks. So if you're worried about your grade, this is how you're going to get some extra points with me. Besides, it's fun. So, and I do have next week already set to go in my outfit. So it's going to be fun next 3 weeks with our dress up weeks. So at request, it is coming back. I think that's about it, except for my quote of the day. And that is, allow this hard season to grow you. Allow this hard season to grow you. It's tough right now, guys, but you know what? We're all going to be stronger after this is over, stronger people, and we're learning. You should be learning stuff about yourself through this time. I definitely am. So just allow this hard season to grow you. You got this. And I'm here for you if you need me, okay? I missed y'all. I hope you have an awesome Thursday, and I will talk to you later.